Over the past couple of weeks, we've looked at some fairly simple text colour changes in Shotcut. This week, we're stepping it up a level. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to make multiple colour changes for your text using a keyframe in Shotcut. The filter we're going to use this time is colour grading. Now, this is usually used for making video colour more pleasing, but there's no reason you can't use it for text too. You'll see there are 3 colour wheels. What I'm going to do is not use shadows and midtones and only use highlights, because who wants to create 3 keyframes when you can get away with 1? As you can see here, they do make a difference if you change them, but you can get all of that changed just using the 1 wheel with a single colour item. OK, let's put the cursor back to the beginning of the clip and click the stopwatch to start the keyframe. And now the sky's the limit. Move the cursor, choose a colour, move the cursor, choose another colour, and keep doing that until you're finished. And there you have it, text changing through multiple colours for as long as you want. This option, I think, makes it easier to adjust the finer detail than a simple dissolve transition. If you want a way of changing colours that doesn't involve keyframes, you might want to check out the first video in this series about video transitions and changing text colour. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.